Okay, we are still in section 1, chapter 1, and this is just the second part, and we are going to be talking about patterns. So with these patterns, all of ours will involve either just adding a number or multiplying a number. Although there are different ways that we can get to these numbers, that's probably going to be the easiest way. So for these, we are going to identify a pattern in each of the list of numbers, then use this pattern to find the next number. So I always try to see if we can add a number to each to see if that'll make sense. And if not, we'll try multiplication. So looking at part A, we're doing 3, 12, 21, 30, 39. So what is the difference between 3 and 12? That's going to be 9. What is the difference between 12 and 21? That's also 9. How about the difference between 29 and 30? Also 9. So it looks like from each number to get the next number, we are adding 9. So if we are looking at our last number, 39, 39 plus 9 gives us 48. Okay, for part B, let's see if we can find a pattern using addition and subtraction. So what's the difference between 3 and 4? It's 1. The difference between 4 and 6 is 2. Between 6 and 9 is 3. Between 9 and 13 is 4. Between 13 and 18 is 5. So it looks like we are adding a number each time, and that number that we're adding is one more than the previous number. So if we're adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the next number we're going to be adding is 6. So 18 plus 6 is going to give us 24. For part C, let's see what we get when we add or subtract. So the difference between 3 and 12 is 9. Between 12 and 48 is 36. Between 48 and 192, let me check that in my calculator. That gives me 134. So it looks like that's not really showing me a whole lot. So let's try multiplication. So I'm going to erase what I have. So let's try multiplication. So 3 times what gives me 12? That would be 4. 12 times what gives me 48? That would be 4. 48 times what gives me 92? That would be 4. So it looks like we're multiplying each previous number by 4. So to get our last number, we're going to do 768 times 4. And that gives us 3,072. And then for our last one, let's see what we have with the difference between these two numbers. The difference between 3 and 6 is 3. 6 and 18 is 12. Let's see, 18 and 36 is 18. 36 and 108, let me type that into my calculator. That's going to give me 72. So that doesn't really seem to pop out the pattern for me. So let's try multiplication and see if that shows anything. Okay, so 3 times what gives me 6? That would be 2. 6 times what gives me 18? That's 3. 18 times 36. 18 times what gives me 36? That's 2. 36 times what gives me 108? So do 108 divided by 36 in your calculators. That gives you 3. 108 times what gives me 216? That's 2. So it looks like we're multiplying in a pattern of times 2, times 3, times 2, times 3, times 2. Then this last one's going to be times 3. So it's going to be 216 times 3. Typing that into my calculator, I get 648. And that's all for patterns.